Hey everybody, I have a package and you know what that means. It means it's unboxing time. This one is, I'm very excited about this, although admittedly I'm gonna unbox this thing and then it's probably gonna be a long time before I get a chance to use it because it's holiday season right now and I'm super busy, both with work and with glass and shows and all that. But went ahead and got the box and wanted to show it to you because I'm super excited. So I'm just taking these out, make sure I don't cut myself on those staples. Okay, so I love their packaging. So this is from Stephanie and team at Creative Paradise, famous for their molds and lots of great molds. In fact, I already know I have another order coming. I'm so bad. But I just want to show you this one. I'm so excited about. You may have seen it. It's called the Flouncy mold. And so this is a interesting shape. It's flouncy. I don't know how else to describe it. But what this one does, along with this foot, which is just a little dome mold, but you can cast a foot and make a platter that has a foot on it. But what I'm more excited about is the opportunity to then wrap a wire. Stephanie's shown this on Facebook at least. You can fuse the, I lost my light, it looks okay. You can fuse the flouncy or slump your round decorative piece onto the foot once you've cast the foot, and then they fuse together and you've created this foot that's attached. And then what she's done is she's wrapped wire around the back of the foot and then you can hang it on the wall and it looks like a Chihuly piece. And so I love vitrographs. I've got a lot of vitrograph around here that I've purchased from folks. I also have all that cool confetti that I got from Tabitha. So I think what I can do is create some really cool round pieces, then fuse them onto the foot and then hang it on the wall. So how wicked cool is that? So that's why I got this mold. Again, it'll be a little while before I get a chance to actually use it and do that, but I just wanted to show you that and tease you that will be coming at some point in the future. So this is called the Flouncy mold and there's a foot that goes with it. It's on their website. I'll drop a link, as I always do, in the video notes. Make sure you subscribe so that you can see what I actually make with this thing sometime in the future. Catch y'all later. Bye.